What if everything you see, feel, and experience is nothing but lines of code in an advanced computer simulation? And the evidence has been found in the very fabric of reality itself. The idea sounds like science fiction, but some of the world's top minds are taking it deadly seriously. The simulation hypothesis suggests that our entire universe, from the smallest quantum particle to the largest galaxy cluster, might be running on some kind of cosmic computer. Think about it for a second. We're already creating increasingly sophisticated virtual worlds ourselves. Video games can now simulate entire cities with millions of independent characters going about their lives. What happens when our technology becomes 1,000 times more advanced? Would we be able to create simulations so real that the characters inside them believe they're conscious? Now flip that around. If it's possible for us to create such simulations in the future, then statistically speaking, there are likely billions of simulated universes out there already created by civilizations more advanced than ours. And here's the kicker. If that's true, then the odds are overwhelming that we're living in one of those simulations rather than the original base reality. But this isn't just philosophical speculation. There's actual scientific evidence that's making researchers take notice. One of the most compelling arguments comes from the strange behavior of our universe at the quantum level. When scientists look at the smallest building blocks of reality, they don't see smooth, continuous existence. Instead, they find that space and time appear to be pixelated, just like a digital image when you zoom in close enough. There's actually a minimum possible distance called the Planck length, below which the concept of distance becomes meaningless. This digital-like quality of reality is exactly what you'd expect if we were living in a simulation with finite processing power. Then there's the cosmic speed limit. Nothing can travel faster than light. Why? Because in any computational system, you need to limit information transfer to prevent the simulation from crashing. Light speed could be the processing speed limit of our cosmic computer. And what about the weird behavior of particles in quantum mechanics? The famous double-slit experiment shows that particles behave differently when they're being observed. This observer effect makes perfect sense if we're in a simulation that only renders reality in detail when someone is looking at it, to save computational resources. It's like a video game that only renders the parts of the world that the player can actually see. But the most mind-bending evidence might come from mathematics itself. Some physicists have discovered that the fundamental constants of our universe, like the strength of gravity or the speed of light, appear to be fine-tuned with impossible precision. If any of these constants were even slightly different, life as we know it couldn't exist. This fine-tuning could be explained if our universe was deliberately designed with specific parameters. Now let's consider what this would mean for our daily lives. If we're living in a simulation, then concepts like free will, consciousness, and even death take on entirely new meanings. Your memories might just be data files. Your thoughts could be algorithms running on biological hardware. And death, that might simply be the deletion of your character file. But here's where it gets really interesting. If we are in a simulation, there might be ways to detect glitches or exploits in the system. Some researchers suggest that we might find mathematical patterns or anomalies in cosmic background radiation that reveal the underlying code. Others think that quantum computers might eventually be powerful enough to interact with the simulation's operating system. The implications are staggering. If we could prove we're in a simulation, it would fundamentally change our understanding of reality, consciousness, and our place in the cosmos. It could open up possibilities we can't even imagine, like communicating with the programmers or even hacking the simulation itself. But here's the ultimate question: would you want to know? If you discovered conclusive proof that your entire life, your memories, your loved ones, were all part of an elaborate simulation, how would that change how you live? Would it make life meaningless, or would it make every moment more precious, knowing that this incredible experience was deliberately created? The simulation hypothesis forces us to confront the nature of reality itself. It challenges everything we think we know about existence. And as our technology advances, we may soon have the tools to answer this question definitively. Until then, the possibility remains one of the most fascinating and terrifying ideas in all of science and philosophy. What do you think? Are we living in a simulation, Or is this base reality? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and follow for more mind-expanding content.